Today we're looking at the WORKPRO Quick Change Folding Utility Knife. Let's go ahead and open it. And we can see it's got a really nice grippy texture on here, which is super handy. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just kind of open that up just like that. And you notice right at the top right here, we have this little area. So that's where you can use for some leverage to push down if you need some leverage on opening and closing some things. We do have this little piece right here, which will allow you to cover your blade up. To open it and close the knife though, you do have this little piece right here that you just press down and that will just lock the knife right up. And then when you want to open it, you can just pull it right up and it will lock right into place. It's definitely an interesting mechanism to change the blade on here. So what we have is this little piece right here will just come right up like that. And that will just kind of unlock it. And then we have this little piece right here that you want to pull down. So we'll go ahead and just push that down. There we go. And that will expose your blade and your blade will just lift right out just like that. Now, where are the blades, you're asking? Well, we got a very cool, unique storage solution in here. So we have this little button right here. We just push that, that slaps up. And then we have 4 extra blades that you can store right in here. So we got the 4 of them just in there like that. So we can take a replacement one if we want to, and then replace our blade. But let's go ahead and insert it right back in how it was. So we go just in like that. And then we push this piece just up, just like that. And then we go ahead and just lock it down just like that. And we'll close this piece up. And then we've got our blade nice and changed. You might ask, well, why is it such a complicated system to do that? Because most blades, knives will just have a little button that you just press up and it pulls out. Well, the one thing I can tell you about this one is this is rock solid. This does not wiggle or move, whereas most other blade manufacturers of these folding knives, this little piece will always move. But you can see this is just rock solid. So you're not gonna miss any leverage or anything like that. Even with this little piece right here, you can push down. So very high quality, super nice, the WORKPRO folding knife.